But one of the things makes me realize that God has a sense of humor. It's in creating animals. You know? All the animals around us, they just make us feel good. Like the elephants, I just love those.
Ang sarap maging elepante. Kain ng dahon. Pare-parehas ang lasa. Parang uho.
Elephants. But my most favorite animal of them all would be the baboy damo.
Papa natin, hindi naman nagawan. Ay, nakita ko naman si Tarzan dito. Tarzan! Tarzan na rin! Hindi tayo! No! Ikaw mo dito! Saan?
But I like you guys a lot. So I'm going to share my childhood experiences. I'm not always this suave, galante guy you see from me. Very accomplished comedian who's first in the lineup. Yeah. I come from a technical school. Itago na lang natin sa pangalan ng boss ko, Makati. It's alright. Nobody from the boss ko, Makati can afford to get in here. Just see us. Just see us. You can't have a girl as a Bosona. Oh, father, what did you leave the priest for? Good-looking wife. But, you see, the girls from the exclusive schools, they really look down on us like, talagang boss ko yan, amoy gasa. Oo nga, totoo. But they have to be hurtful. I mean, I envy the guys from LaSalle and Ateneo. They have money for FHM and Maxim. Yeah, all I had were Avon catalogs. Sabi, wala bang mas bago galing sa nanay mo? Kahit pa to eh. Sa bagay pa ba mo? Natasha na nga lang, Natasha. Ang sapatos ko eh. Ang sapatos. Gosh. What are the things you really miss growing up? Like, you guys remember those Itbulaga dance-alike competitions? Where they get one song, and they get a bunch of poor kids to dance for your entertainment. You guys remember that? Of course not, but so what? I'm still gonna do it anyway! Ladies and gentlemen, introducing from Upper Bigutan, the Upper Bigutan Movers! Hey, yeah, yeah! With Jack, Jenanu, and Joe Bard! And they'd be dancing, and then eventually, they'd come up with a decision. At ang panalo ngayon sa ating dance-alike competition ng Upper Bigutan Manumbers! Punta naman kayo dito! And the kids would go, oh! Ano masasabi mo, Joe Bard? Manalo kayo! Pwede bumingi ng tubig. Hindi! Nanalo ka! Ano masasabi mo? Hindi ka ba magpapasalamat dahil may prize money ka? Ano ba yung story niyo? Yung gabi po, lasing yung tatay ko. Ay, okay! Tama na. That's alright. Pero alam mo, tagulan na ngayon. And a lot of people are hitting on Pag-asa for not being accurate about the weather. And my recommendation to Pag-asa is they need to grab the attention of the audience. You guys believe me? You know, like Mara Clara stuff, you know, Rosalinda sort of things. So for the next weather update,
nandito tayo ngayon sa Ulat ng Balita at kasama natin si Pedro Santos ng Pag-asa upang bigyan tayo ng ulat sa darating na sama ng panahon.
Magandang gabi po. Ako po si Pedro Santos ng Pag-asa. Upang gabayan kayo sa darating na bagyo. At ang masasabi ko lang po ay, mamamatay tayo lahat! Mamamatay tayo lahat! Mamamatay tayo lahat! Bumili na kayo ng kandila sa bakaran! Yung mga nasa Marikina, bakit di pa kayo umalis? Bakit di pa kayo umalis? You're supposed to be snapping at this part. Hindi pa kayo umalis! Thank you. Hindi pa kayo umalis! Mamamatay tayo lahat! Thank you for being prompt. Mamamatay tayo lahat! Ako po si Pedro Santos. Sana po makamit kayo. Yes. That's how it's supposed to be done. That's how it's supposed to be done.